Good morning student, welcome to VPS online classes. Today we are going to study a topic notice writing. Notice writing. Students, it is a part of composition writing in 12th class syllabus containing with 4 marks. So first of all, we have to know about the meaning of notice writing. What is the meaning of notice? First of all, we have to know about the meaning of notice. The question is, what is notice? So, we have to remember a definition of notice before the learning of notice. What is the qualities of notice? With definition, notice is a short piece of writing. The first quality of notice is the notice is a short piece of writing. The second one, it is factual and formal. It is factual and formal in nature. And the third is it is generally displayed on notice board. Before studying the notice writing, we have to know the meaning of notice. What is notice? There are 3 kinds of the definitions of notice. First, notice is a short piece of writing. It is factual and formal in nature. And last one, it is generally displayed on a notice board. Next, notice is prepared. Notice is prepared in a format, a box. The very important thing of the notice writing, notice is prepared in a format. So, format must be prepared before drafting a notice. So these are the qualities of notice writing. Once again, notice is a short piece of writing. It is factual and formal in nature. It is generally displayed on notice board, and a notice is prepared in a format, in a box. So, format must be prepared before drafting a notice. These are the most factual and most important points about notice writing. Now, we discuss about the important facts of notice writing. Some important facts about notice writing. First of all, notice should be written in simple and easy language. Because notice should be written in simple and easy language. Second, there is no use of complementary words. Next, signature of issuing authority with post in left side. Number fourth, brief and to the point. It means notice should be written in brief and to the point. And last, it should be written in third person. These are the important facts about notice writing. These points we have to remind before drafting any notice. We have to prepare a notice about any meeting. There are many points, so that we have to remind the points about meeting. Our notice content is about meeting. Some points we have to remind, like date of meeting, time of meeting, venue of meeting, chief guest of meeting. Next, if we have to prepare a notice about any incident, there are some points, so we have to remind the points before drafting a notice writing, like as name of event, and the second is objective, venue, date and time, etc. Name of event, objective, date etc. Next one, and if we have to prepare a notice about any fair, exhibitions and any camps like as blood donation camp, free medical camp and eye operation camp, there are many points we have to remind that our content will be in simple language and simple method and easy to understand and brief and to the point. The name and nature, time, venue and the content of the notice writing and the issuing authority, and if any camp, fair and exhibition, then name and nature of camp, fair and exhibition, date of exhibitions, date of camps and date of fair. Next is venue of exhibition, venue of fair, venue of a camp, and next is the charge, fees, the fair, charge and fee of fair and camp. So there are many points we have to remind according the content of our notice writing, like a meeting, incident, camp, fair and like as book exhibitions. Now we are drafting a format of notice. So first of all, we have to draw a box and the top of our box we have to write the name of organizations. Name of a organization. Name of the name of organization will be written in capital letters. Second, the word notice in capital letter with a short underline. In the side of notice word, on the left side, we have to mention the date of issuing the notice, date after the notice. We have to write the title of the notice, subject, heading. Next, content of our notice. After this content, after this message, we have to write in left side at the bottom. In the left side at the bottom, there is signature of issuing authority. Signature. Signature of issuing authority. At last, we have to close our format. Once again, look at the board. This is a format of a notice writing, and it will be same in all questions of every content, every matter and every subject. We have to complete our topic by completing this example. So first of all, we have to prepare a format, a box for our answer, and at the top of the format we have to write the name of organization, for example VPS, science school, Lakshman. This is the name of organization. Next, notice the date of issuing 20 of June 2020. Next, the heading, the subject of our notice according to question paper, according to question, our topic is free, so a medical checkup. Medical. This is our subject heading of the notice. The content of this notice will be started from here. All the students are informed that our school has decided to arrange a medical checkup on 25th of June 2020. All students are advised to report for checkup checkup at appointed time. At the last, at the bottom of this notice, there is signature of issuing authority. For example, BL Gupta with post principal. And now we have to close the format. So students, it was the example of notice writing. Once again, we discussed about this example. Your school had decided to arrange a medical checkup for the students. Draft a notice to inform the students for the same. First of all, we have to write the name of organization, VPA Science School Lakshmangarh, and the notice. The side of notice, in the left side, we have to write the date of issuing, and after the title and the topic, the content will start from here. Like is, all the students are informed that our school has decided to arrange a medical checkup on 25th of June 2020. All students are advised to report for checkup at appointed time. And the last, at the bottom, the left side, the signature by the issuing authority, the BL Gupta, principal. So today we have completed a topic, notice writing, in the composition part of 12th class, containing with 4 marks. And next class we will come with a new topic. Thank you.